In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Localization-L1-2-0.Dll error on Windows. This error can be a bit frustrating, but with a few straightforward steps, we'll have your system up and running smoothly in no time. So let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to head over to the official Microsoft website. This is where we'll download the necessary components that will fix the DLL error. The reason we're using the official site is that it ensures you're getting the legitimate file, thus avoiding any potential malware or incompatible versions that could cause further issues. Once you're on the website, you'll want to look for the Visual C++ redistributable download. This particular package is crucial because it houses the components that are often required by many applications on Windows to run correctly. Next, you'll see options to download the Visual C++ redistributable for various versions of Visual Studio, specifically for the years 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. You might be wondering why these versions are grouped together. That's because Microsoft has packaged these Visual C++ libraries into a unified download to simplify the process for users, ensuring compatibility across numerous applications and updates. Now, it's time to pick the correct file for your system. This step is essential because downloading the wrong file for your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit, will not solve the issue. Head to the download page and you'll typically see two options, VC Redist x64.exe for 64-bit systems and VC Redist x86.exe for 32-bit systems. Determine your system type by right-clicking on This PC or My Computer and selecting Properties. Here, you'll find whether you're running a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system under System Type. After selecting the right file, go ahead and download it. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it to run the setup. You'll be prompted with a user agreement, which you'll need to accept before proceeding. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. This step is usually quick, but be sure not to interrupt it. Once the installation completes, one critical final step remains, restarting your computer. A restart ensures the changes take effect and all system resources are reinitialized. So go ahead and restart your system to complete the process. After rebooting, you should find that the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Localization-L1-2-0.Dll error is resolved and your program should run as expected. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to fix a common Windows error in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.